Hi everyone! Welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and today, we are checking out a cold air intake system for actually, there's a big long list of stuff that it fits. So, what does this all fit? Well, it's a big list, because, again, Chevys with LSs, it fits basically everything. It's kind of cool. So, 02 to 06 Escalade with a 5.3, with a 6-liter, the EX2 with a 6-liter, the ESV with a 6-liter, the Avalanche with a 5.3, that's what we're interested in, the 99 to 06 Silverado GMC Sierra with a 4.8, 2007 with the 4.8 as well, 99 to 06 Silverado GMC Sierra. You get the idea, right? Like, there's this big long list. You can pause it and see all that in there, right? So, anyways, a lot of stuff. And what this all comes with is the filter shield, an air filter, intake tube, rubber vibration mount, M6 fender washers, M6 lockouts, there's 2 of those, one 4-inch coupler, one 4-inch coupler at 90 degrees, 4 4-inch hose clamps, and one 6-inch hose clamp, as well as 3 M5 Allen bolts, 3 M5 flat washers, and 3 M5 lock nuts. Right? So, pretty simple overall. Let's just begin. So, you can see the filter here on top, and there's a bunch of hardware inside here. Take a look. You know, you can see, oh, okay, this is the rubber mount here, right? So, that's pretty cool. Let's just put that over here. And then, you got, you know, plastic coupler here. That'll go like right, maybe not right there, but doesn't matter. You got this silicone, you know, coupler, so that's alright, the 90-degree one. Here we have all of the hose clamps that they mentioned, so which is good. And honestly, the quality of the stuff is not that bad, considering this is not an expensive kit. Right, you got another coupler, again, silicone, alright. And then, the piece de resistance, the actual intake tube itself. And if we take a look at it here, there we go. You can see, here is the intake tube. And this is actually TIG welded. Like, you can actually see where they kind of mess up a little bit on the welding there. And there's some stuff that you might want to take like a file to, but realistically, for an inexpensive kit, this is not too bad. Like, you can see the welding here. They kind of mess up a little bit on their weld and their transition right there. But really, this is sturdy. Like, I can't bend any of it. So, not too bad, honestly. You know, and then it just needs a good polish, because obviously you can see this down the end of it. But really, not too bad at all. So then, let's see, what is this one? Oh, there's another hose clamp, so that's 5. That's a bigger one. Let's see. You've got the rubber sort of gaskets for the box itself, which the box is obviously you need to assemble it, but really not too bad at all. And honestly, for I think it's $109 US for all this, I am pretty satisfied with the quality of this. Like, really. Because they sent me this out. Actually, I've been meaning to do a video on this for a while, but I wanted to do the unboxing and the installation of it in the same video, but it's been too cold for it to do it. So, yeah. So basically, if we just do it really quickly here, like the, you know, it's going to be in there like that, right? And it's a nice little enclosure sort of idea. Figure it out from the destructions and stuff. But I do like it, and even like this filter, because let's take the plastic off of it. Let's really take a look at this. Because I want to inspect the filter quality, actually, which, you know what? This is not bad. Like, I'd put this on par with, like, a Spectre brand, or even, you know, something like that. Like, pretty sure it's a paper filter. Like, it's not one of the oil style ones or anything like that, but it's pretty decent. And, like, and what this will do, because, like, they claim it'll give about 7 to 10% extra horsepower and another, I think it was 5 to 8% torque with this. Now, You can only expect those gains, though, when you put this on and then you actually get ECU tune for it. Because otherwise, you know, if you put this on, all it's going to do is make some noise, and that's about it. So, it's pretty neat, honestly. Like, I do like what I see here. It's all pretty decent quality overall, and like even the metal and stuff like that. Like I said, you should get a file and like, you know, deburr that. But if that's the worst of it, that's not really that bad. The paper's getting wet. Fun times about doing this out in the winter time. So anyways, well, I hope you guys did enjoy this quick little unboxing here. And like I said, you will see an installation of this on my channel. It just won't be for quite a while, but would I recommend this kit? Absolutely. Plus, what's really cool, actually, is that on their website, if you go to Flash Shark Racing's website, which there'll be a link to this product down in the description below, and use my code KAT15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order as well. Don't forget that. And that'll also be down in the description too. They have this kit, but then you can also get this kit with headers as well. And I've actually gotten their headers before, and their headers are pretty good quality overall. Again, like TIG welded and very nice stainless steel, all this stuff. I don't know if this is actually stainless or not, but regardless though, it seems to be decent quality overall, especially for the price, right? It's really hard to beat pricing like that. So for a little bit of potentially performance mods, but also like just sound mods, because this is gonna sound awesome in the car or in the truck. So this is gonna go on my dad's 2004 Chevy Avalanche Z71, right, with the 5.3 in it. So yeah, stay tuned for a video on that. Like, I'm hoping that it's nice enough when my dad gets back in a couple of weeks, but if not, you'll see it in the summertime at some point. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you all for doing that. Yeah, like I said, go to flashsharkracing.com. They have a bunch of different products. It's not just air filters or headers. They have a bunch of other little accessories like lights and like headlights, taillights, the bulbs themselves, like you name it. You can get a lot of stuff on their site. I'm very pleased with the overall quality of the stuff for the price that you're paying. Because yes, is this like top-notch stuff? Not 100%, right? Like, there's a reason why it's only, you know, just over $100 as opposed to say like a $400 intake. But genuinely, like, even like I said, this filter, it's great. It's big too, which I like that. You know, it's gonna breathe quite a bit. And then with the box the way that it's gonna be, hopefully that'll actually make it so that it actually does do cold air. Because otherwise it's just gonna be a hot air intake and won't do too much. So I'll have to see when it's fully installed to see how it looks, and I'll give my opinions then of that. But anyways, appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be able to do this without my audience as well. You guys are incredible. I appreciate you. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.